Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Mothering with Rum. It's not a big deal today, but I've noticed that with all of the masks, wear a mask, you have to go outside. I have mask lips, meaning that my lips are dry, they're peeling, they feel really chappy and everything. I don't really want to get close because I don't want to disgust you guys, but believe me when I say that it's really, really bad. So I just decided to make a DIY concoction for this thing, and hopefully it will work. Okay, so I decided to use honey and sugar. Right? So I'm gonna have a tablespoon of honey, if it will ever come out. Okay. Oh god. I have a little what do you call these things? These little cute little bowls that you can make appetizers out of. Make special dishes out of, little salads out of. What do you call them? What do you call them? I don't know. Okay. So I have that. So that's a tablespoon of honey, and I'm also going to put in a tablespoon of sugar. I figured to do the sugar because you need the granulated part to rub and to make a kind of a force against skin, soft skin. Yeah, like I'm looking at it here, but it feels pretty bad. Okay, so alright, mix that, and what I'm going to do is just rub it on my lips. It tastes good, but I'm sure it's not good for me. But it tastes good. I think that the roughness of the sugar, right, and then the honey, they kind of work in tangent with each other. And this is a very good exfoliator for your lips. For my lips, it's very sensitive. Honey and sugar, a very good exfoliator for your lips. Your lips, they're very sensitive. But if you should, let's say, God forbid, burn your lips and also your tongue are the longest things to heal. Okay? Just so you know. You learned it from me. So it's all, and in these corners here is where I'm having the most issues. So I know I look crazy right now, but trust me, it's gonna work. Alright, and I would recommend leaving this on for 10 minutes. Yeah. So. Alright. And oh my god. That looks gross. Oh, but you know what? I feel like experimenting. So you see, I have oils left over. Why not put it all over my face? Why not? Yeah. Why not? If you guys don't see me on YouTube for like 2 months or so, because you know that this did not work out properly. Honey and sugar, it's exfoliating. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's being done, and yeah, it may work out fine. Okay. So now we're gonna call this a facial exfoliating mask. All right. So I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. You're gonna let it do its magic. It tastes really good. All right, see you in 10 minutes. So I washed the honey and sugar off of my lips. I don't have any of that when you want it, that dry skin. I don't have any of that on my lips. I don't know if I can zoom in. It says that I can't zoom in, so I'm gonna just go in for you. I don't have any dead skin on my lips. Perfect. Alright, and then I was trying to be I was trying to experiment and just use that whole sugar honey concoction on my skin. I can't say if it did anything or not, but I know for my lips, it's very smooth now. I don't have any dead skin. I'm rubbing it, I don't have anything. No dead skin. None at all. So, seeing it in all of its natural state. Pretty good. Right, let me see something. Hold on.